Your house is not messy. Your house is plotting against you. The dishes are unionized. The laundry is multiplying like it pays rent. And every time you clean one room, another room hears about it and gets worse out of spite. If your house is already behind and you're thinking, why even try? Congratulations, this video is for you. First, let's fix the biggest lie you've been telling yourself. I just need a whole free day to catch up. No, you don't. You need a strategy and lower expectations, deeply lower, basement level expectations. Because when your house is behind, you do not clean like a normal person. You clean like someone escaping a zombie movie. Rule number 1, stop aiming for clean, aim for functional. Clean is a fantasy. Functional is where you can sit without fear. Ask yourself one powerful question. What is actively ruining my life right now? Not what looks bad, not what would I post online, what is causing daily suffering. If it's dishes, congratulations, the sink is your battlefield. If it's laundry, your enemy is the floor pile that has achieved sentience. If it's clutter, it's the mystery objects that don't belong anywhere, but somehow belong everywhere. Pick one, not three, one. If you pick more than one, your house wins. Now let's talk about time, because this is where people mess up. You do not say, I'm going to clean until it's done. That sentence has ended more cleaning attempts than procrastination itself. Instead, you say, I am cleaning for 10 minutes and then I'm quitting on purpose. 10 minutes is short enough that your brain doesn't call the authorities. And here's the magic. 10 minutes of angry, focused cleaning beats 3 hours of wandering around, holding the same item and dissociating. Set a timer. When it goes off, you stop. If you keep going, that's illegal, but we won't tell. Next rule, trash first. Always trash first. When your house is behind, trash is the loudest liar. It makes everything look worse than it actually is. Grab a bag and go full raccoon mode. No sorting, no recycling guilt spiral, no staring at something asking, but what is this? If it's obvious trash, it leaves your house immediately. You are not a landfill historian. Now let's address the clutter, the stuff that doesn't belong anywhere. Here's a trick that saves your sanity. Do not put things away. Put things together. When your house is behind, put away is too ambitious. Instead, all mail goes in one pile, all random objects go in one basket, all things that belong upstairs but are currently downstairs get shoved into a single container like they're boarding a bus. This creates the illusion of progress, which fuels actual progress. Your brain loves visible wins. Feed it. Let's talk about rooms, because this is important for retention and survival. You do not bounce between rooms. If you leave the room you're cleaning, you have officially entered chaos mode. Stay in one room. Even if something belongs somewhere else, it waits. Nothing gets to leave until the room looks better than when you started. Is it perfect? No. Is it less offensive? Yes. That's the goal. Now, a crucial mindset shift. You are not behind. You are simply in a maintenance backlog. Life happened. You were busy. You were tired. You were alive. Mess is not a moral failure. It's just evidence that time passed. Repeat after me. I am not catching up. I am restarting. That's powerful. That's cinematic. When motivation drops, and it will, switch to reset mode. Reset mode is bare minimum, zero drama cleaning. That means clear surfaces enough to use them. Make the bed badly. Stack things neatly, even if they're still wrong. A bad reset is better than a perfect plan. And finally, the secret weapon no one talks about. Stop cleaning when it starts going well. I'm serious. Ending on a win trains your brain to believe cleaning is survivable. Ending in exhaustion teaches your brain to avoid it forever. Quit early, leave some mess. Come back tomorrow slightly less angry. That's how you actually catch up. If this helped you feel even 2% less overwhelmed, hit subscribe, because we are not about perfect homes here. We're about homes that don't emotionally attack us. New videos for real people with real messes. Subscribe and let's outsmart the house together.